In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete someone from Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right into it. The first step in this process is to open the administration settings within your Slack workspace. So start by logging into your Slack account. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and you'll see your workspace name. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to hover over the option that says Tools and Settings. From here, select Manage Members, which is located under the Administration section. This is where you'll manage everything related to your workspace members. Once you've made it to the Member Management dashboard, the next step is to locate the member you want to remove. This scene might look a bit crowded if you have a larger team, but take a moment to scroll through the list of active, inactive, or even invited users. You'll want to find the person you wish to delete from your workspace. It might take a moment if they're not immediately visible, but with a bit of patience, you should be able to find them. Now let's move on to the actual removal process. Next to the name of the member you want to remove, you'll notice a 3 dots icon. Go ahead and click on that. It will open up a small menu and you'll see the option to remove them from the workspace. Make sure you're ready to finalize this action because once you click it, a confirmation prompt will pop up. This is just a safety net, allowing you to double-check whether you're certain about your decision. Once you confirm your choice, their access to the workspace will be deactivated immediately. It's a pretty straightforward process, but it's definitely an important one to keep your workspace clean and organized. Now, I know this may seem like a small feature, but trust me, maintaining your team's integrity and security on Slack is crucial. Having the right people in your workspace can improve collaboration and overall team morale. And remember, if you ever find yourself needing to add someone back in or change their permissions, you can easily manage those as well through the same member management dashboard. It's all built to ensure that your Slack workspace remains productive and streamlined. So, whether you're a workspace admin or just someone who wants to help maintain a good environment on Slack, knowing how to remove someone is an essential skill. Before we wrap up, if you found this instructional video helpful, please consider subscribing for more content and liking this video to let me know it was useful. Thank you for watching, and good luck managing your Slack workspace. Stay tuned for more